everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up and use the Slowdns VPN app to enhance your online privacy and enjoy a more secure internet connection. Let's get started. First, download and install the Slowdns VPN app directly from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app to begin. Tap the server name to view and select from other available server locations. Next, head to the Custom DNS section. Here, you can choose from pre-configured DNS servers like Google DNS 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 for reliable performance. Tap the Start button to connect and activate your VPN session. For advanced users, there's an option called Custom Slow DNS, DNST mod. You can enter a DNS IP address, such as 1.1.1.1, in this mode. Leave other fields blank unless you are using V2RAY protocols. Press Start to initiate your connection in this advanced mode. If you need to extend your session, simply tap Add +4HR to add 4 more hours to your VPN timer. And that's it! You're all set to browse with greater security and privacy using Slowdns VPN. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.